Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to know how to create a presentation using Canva, PowerPoint, and Slideshow. So first you go to your searcher, you write canva.com and you go to the first option. When you want to sign up, you just sign up with your email account, and to start the session it's the same. You click here and you're going to log in with your email account. Okay, so now we are going to create a presentation. Here I just click on the email and we're going to start here. This is Canva. Now we are in the platform. We're going to find a lot of templates. We're going to select here, create a design, and here we're going to find all the resources that you can create. So first you have to look for presentations. So you click here, it's going to open another slide, and now we are in this presentation. Okay, as you can see here, you're going to find different templates, and if you write here like medicine, for example, the templates are going to be related to medical, okay, the medical area. So you can choose this one, for example. Okay, so here you have your front page. Here you can add your title, short description, and an image. And this is the best part because you just can edit the information. Here you take another slide and just change the words, what you want to put into your presentation. Like, I don't know, whatever you want to talk about. Okay, and here you can talk about I don't know, okay, here says healthcare in the 21st century. You just edit the information. Remember to have just short information. You can edit here and just add, for example, three lines of information. You can change the size of the font. Okay, you can do it by selecting the square, this figure, or like this. Okay, and here you are creating your presentation. Remember to add images, remember to add videos. To add a video here, you just for example, you're going to do it in this slide. For example, to add your slide, you go to YouTube. For example, you go to YouTube and you just click on the link of your video. Here we are going to look for medical videos. So it depends on the information, right? So yeah, I'm just going to choose a video here, depending on the topic, right? Like maybe, okay, I want to talk about this. I just copied that link, went to my presentation again, and just with Ctrl V, I add my video here. I just can edit the background, like I don't need letters here, and I can see my video here. Okay, and that's it. You can move the picture too if you don't want it, just to fill out, okay, I want to show a video. Okay, so here I have text, I have images, I have a title. So this is multimedia. Okay, this is multimedia. Remember multimedia as well in your presentations. And this is Canva. Okay, so now you just present it. You can share the link, like you copy the link and share on WhatsApp, on Classroom, or wherever you want to share it. Okay, or your social media, and the others are going to see. Just remember that click here, and what can your audience do? Just see or comment or see and edit the the recommendation is to see, right? And that's it. So now if you present it, you can watch the video. So if you click here, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to present it one more time, and I can watch this video. Okay, here I just changed the video because the other one was a GIF. I did the same. I went to YouTube, I chose the video, copy the link, and I paste it here. Okay, so now if I present this resource, I'm going to see the video, so I can watch the video. Okay, and now it's playing. Okay, so I'm going to see these videos. I can went to my before slide. Something good from Canva is like when you are presenting, you can appear confetti, you can appear bubbles, you can appear a drum just using your keyboard. So this is Canva, and I hope you're going to use it or try to create the presentation using Canva, because this is a great resource. You just edit the information and you can create your presentations. Okay, and don't forget to add multimedia in your presentations, like text, image, videos, and everything that you want to present according to the topic, the level of your student. Okay, so this is Canva. I hope you like it, and now we are going to see how Slidescope works and how PowerPoint works. You already know how to work PowerPoint, but I'm just going to share it with you. What can you do, or what resources, or how to use PowerPoint. Okay, so this is Canva. I hope you like it, and now it's your turn to explore and create your Zen presentation, adding multimedia resources.